Rupert here from Grounded Permaculture, coming to you from the Numinbah Valley. It is mid-June. We are nearly at the winter solstice of the season. And today in this video, I want to talk to you about a sector analysis on this particular site, on this particular valley, particularly with regards to frost and the phenomena of how the air moves through this valley. It's a valley that faces north-south, and we have these big escarpments on the east and west. And what happens is, especially on these cold winter nights, in the middle of the night, like at 4 a.m, it's not as cold as it is right now at 7 a.m, okay? It's like when the sun comes up, we start to get the airflow moving through the valley, especially when it starts to hit the cliffs up behind us. Up there you can see, you start to get the hot air accelerating the rise, and then it's pulling in all this cold air, and this cold air is then falling and then moving down the valley. And as that cold air condenses and gets colder, we start to see frost forming. Now come up here close, I want to show you what we've got going on. We actually have mild frost happening this morning, and you can see here it's starting to form on this sugarcane mulch. Now this is the first place that it's going to form because it's open, right? We're in this open valley, there's no trees around, so there's heaps of space for the frost, for the cold air to be dropping, condensing and moving through. You see it firstly condensing on all of the biomass, but particularly the grass. But there's enough metabolism in this grass to like hold off the frost. So while there's all this water condensing on it, and it's very close to ice crystals, there's enough life force energy in this grass to keep the frost off, but there's nothing in this mulch, so the frost is forming there. If it kept being colder, more air dropping, falling, condensing, we would then start to see the next place would be these vulnerable tips of biomass, and that's where the frost would form. And this is why it's really helpful in winter time to have as much standing biomass as you can. Now, on this particular job, we're just sort of working within a particular context, so we don't have that benefit, but somewhere like there where we've got all this tree cover, we're not going to be getting the frost. Anyway, that's just a little observation about how the energies move through this site and this valley, particularly with regard to frost formation in winter times. All right, if you got some value out of it, drop a comment, like, subscribe. That's all for me today. Peace.